are listening to Weather Radio Canada's weekly test of your alert-equipped weather radio, broadcast every Wednesday near noon. Ceci est un message test émis tous les mercredis midi sur Radio Météo Canada. Ce message est destiné à tester les fonctions d'activation d'alarme et d'affichage des nouveaux récepteurs Radio Météo.
There are no warnings or watches in effect.
Il n'y a aucun avertissement, veille ou avis météorologique en ce moment.
The Environment Canada forecast issued at 11 a.m. Wednesday, June 29th, for today and Thursday. City of Toronto, for today, cloudy with sunny periods. Wind northwest 30 kilometers per hour, becoming light this afternoon. High 24, UV index 7 or high. For tonight, clearing this evening. Low 14. For Thursday, sunny. High 26. City of Hamilton, for today, cloudy, becoming a mix of sun and cloud this afternoon. Wind west 20 kilometers per hour. High 22, UV index 7 or high. For tonight, clearing this evening. Wind west 20 kilometers per hour, becoming light this evening. Low 12. For Thursday, sunny. High 25. Extended forecast, Friday, sunny. Low 13, high 27. For Saturday, a mix of sun and cloud with 60% chance of showers. Low 18, high 27. For Sunday, sunny. Low 18, high 28. For Monday, a mix of sun and cloud. Low 17, high 27. For Tuesday, a mix of sun and cloud. Low 17, high 27. Normals for the period, low 16, high 26. The Environment Canada forecast issued at 11 a.m. Wednesday, June 29th, for today and Thursday. Burlington, Oakville, Halton Hills, Milton, Mississauga, Brampton, Caledon, Vaughan, Richmond Hill, Markham, Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region, Pickering, Oshawa, Southern Durham Region, Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region, today, cloudy, becoming a mix of sun and cloud this afternoon. Wind northwest 20 kilometers per hour. High 23, UV index 7 or high. For tonight, clearing this evening. Wind northwest 20 kilometers per hour, becoming light this evening. Low 12. For Thursday, sunny. High 25. Orangeville, Grand Valley, Southern Dufferin County, today, clearing late this afternoon. Wind northwest 20 kilometers per hour. High 22, UV index 7 or high. For tonight, clear. Wind northwest 20 kilometers per hour, becoming light this evening. Low 10. For Thursday, sunny. Wind becoming northwest 20 kilometers per hour in the afternoon. High 24. Weather conditions at 11 a.m. Toronto, Pearson International Airport, cloudy, temperature 17, relative humidity 73%, wind northwest 33 kilometers per hour, barometric pressure 101.47 kilopascals and rising. Toronto, downtown 18. Toronto City Centre Airport 18, wind west-northwest 28 kilometers per hour. Markham, Buttonville 17, wind west 17 kilometers per hour. Hamilton 16, wind west 28 kilometers per